Demasiado expresses a quantity that is greater than expected, more than necessary, more than what you want or need, and most of the times it is used in a negative way. Demasiado and demasiada are used with a singular noun to express too much, whereas demasiados and demasiadas are used with a plural noun to express too many. So the structure will be demasiado or demasiada, demasiados, demasiadas, then noun. Let's understand this in a better way with some examples. There are too many cars. Hay demasiados coches. There is too much sugar in the coffee. Hay demasiado azúcar en el café. It was too much food for me. Fue demasiada comida para mí. But as an adverb, demasiado is invariable. That is, demasiado will not change to demasiada, demasiados or demasiadas. It will remain demasiado. They say green cars are too expensive. Dicen que los coches ecológicos son demasiado caros. So here it will be demasiado, not demasiados, because caro is an adjective that shows the quality of green cars, that they are expensive. And demasiado here was used as an adverb. So whenever demasiado is used as an adverb, it will remain demasiado. The problem is that he worries too much. El problema es que se preocupa demasiado. If I run too much, my knees hurt. Si corro demasiado, me duelen las rodillas. So that's all in today's video, guys. See you in the next one. And as always, one sentence for you all. Alejandro drinks too much when he goes to the party. Ciao.